The pretrial hearings of former President Jacob Zuma's arms deal case have been postponed to the 11th of September. This is to allow Judge Nkosinathi Chili time to give his reasons for dismissing Zuma's second attempt to remove lead prosecutor Billy Downer from the case. The former president is charged alongside French arms manufacturer Thales for corruption linked to the country's multi-billion rand arms deal. Newzroom Afrika's Ziyanda Ngcobo reports.
Yet another postponement, despite the state's pleas for the long-delayed matter to finally get underway. In its pre-trial minutes, the prosecution gave the court a detailed account of the previous delays that have marred the case. This is despite the trial being certified as ready to proceed on the 23rd of February 2021. According to the state, the former president is continuing to stall the matter through his Stalingrad tactics. These include a private prosecution, a recusal application, and 2 attempts to have lead prosecutor Billy Downer step aside from the matter. It's now demanding that the trial go ahead and has even proposed dates for next year.
We ask that the matter be postponed for trial to the second term of 2025, being the 14th of April 2025 to the 20th of June 2025, and the third term, 21st of July to the 19th of September 2025, and any further dates that the Honourable Judge presiding at the trial and the Honourable Judge present may determine as agreed between all the parties. So we want the trial to start.
But Zuma's legal team believes the trial cannot continue, at least until Judge Nkosinathi Chili gives his reasons for why he dismissed the former president's second attempt to remove Downer from the case.
The issue of the recusal or non-recusal of Mr. Downer is obviously intertwined and interlinked with the commencement of the trial. That goes without saying. That being the case, my lord, the NPA has 2 options. Either it insists on the commencement of the trial on the dates that have been proposed without Mr. Downer, with some other prosecutor. That's an option that's open to it, which has been open to it, by the way, all along. Despite the false accusations of so-called Stalingrad and what have you. If the NPA wanted to call our bluff, as it were, they should have just said, oh, okay, we are using this so-called delaying tactic, we'll just put another prosecutor. The trial would have been finished by now.
After a brief adjournment, Judge Chili returned with this ruling.
Having had submissions made by counsel, I adopted the view that the appropriate route to take will be to consider the request by Mr. Ngcobo on behalf of Mr. Zuma for reasons for the order I made on 16 May 2024, dismissing Mr. Zuma's request for the removal of Mr. Downer as the prosecutor in these proceedings. Having considered submissions made by counsel, I am of the view that exceptional circumstances exist that warrant the grant of the request by Mr. Ngcobo. However, due to other commitments, I will only be able to do so either on Tuesday or Wednesday week after next, that is the 10th or the 11th of September 2024.
Outside court, Zuma told his supporters that he wasn't done fighting yet. And that includes a battle for what he maintains are the Ngcobo party's stolen votes. To date, though, Zuma and his party have produced 0 evidence to substantiate this claim.
Ngiphinda futhi ngazise ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba besinokhetho nje sahamba phambili ngokuwina. Igebengu ke ezitshontsha zantshontsha amavote ethu.
Judge Chili is expected to explain his reasons for dismissing Zuma's second bid to remove Downer when the matter resumes next month. Yet it seems the former president's legal team is already preparing to challenge the judge's reasons at the Supreme Court of Appeal. And that will no doubt add yet another delay to a case that began almost 2 decades ago. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Pietermaritzburg.